I am Eric with Mother.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. So let's take a look at a scenario here where we are seeing the steel sector positive for the day, but I want to discuss a divergence that I see between a stock within the sector and the sector itself. So here we can see in this quick video that there's a breakout here as far as the instrument US Steel or ticker symbol X. It is breaking out above the recent weekly closing high, so we can say that this is week number 2 of this breakout. So far so good. Now compare the stock itself to the ETF SLX, and we can see here the exact opposite, which is as of last week there was a breakout, and this breakout as of this week it's stalling. In other words, it has gone back below the breakout level. In other words, as of this moment is a failed breakout. Generally speaking, it is estimated that about 75%, let's say 70 to 75% of a stock's direction is based on the general market. Now about 10 to 15% of a stock's direction is based on the sector direction, which means even as this instrument is breaking out, there is an issue, and the issue is not within the stock chart itself, but the sector. So unless this breakout can be restored by turning positive and holding above the breakout level, if it cannot move back and sustain and maintain its breakout status, the fact that the ETF or the sector itself is stalling means that the current breakout by the individual stock, in this case US Steel, chances are very high that those who are watching this and anticipating higher prices, that there's a good probability here that the odds are with the failed sector breakout, the chances are this is going to reverse and reverse very aggressively to the downside, because ultimately it is going to follow the sector in whichever direction the sector chooses to go. It's another way of saying that, generally speaking, you want the breakout of a stock that you are trading to be in line with the group itself. Otherwise, the group is going to influence the ultimate sustained direction. So be it. I am Eric with Mother.com. It is a great joy to leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.